And do you need to gas up today, right?
I did last night.
Yeah. Let's do it. No, yes I do.
Oh, so no?
I wasn't planning on you coming and nibbling on my my stuff.
Nibble, nibble, nibble.
Sorry, am I in the front? Alright, let's go.
Yeah, I'm right here.
3, 2, 1, let's go. Come on.
Gear up.
I had to wag my wings.
You're not going fast enough. But I started to. Touch and go. Touch and go. Right. Touch and go.
Oh my God, you guys!
Gear down.
Oh, whoa, you're in a thermal. You see that?
Me too. Look, it's not coming.
Your nose is down and you're still going up.
Right, I'm gonna keep it touch and go.
I'll make it.
Dude, it's not coming down.
I'll make it down.
Alright, going around. Mr. Rinaldo here.
Flat up. Gear up.
No, I just forced it to come down. It's a big old thermal out there. Get low.
Woo.
Get low.
Yeah, and keep your throttle
Landing
ready,
flat.
guys.
Gear down.
Yeah. You okay, Frank?
Yeah. Oh man, that's nice.
Gear up. Take off flat. Flat up.
Touch and go.
Already? Jesus, dude.
Already, man. Give us some time. Catch up.
I'm catching up to you. I'm right on you. I'm cutting in on this turn.
There. Happy?
Yes, thank you.
Guys, you gotta make your approach softer. Slower as well. Slow, you said? Slower.
Whoa, thermals, be ready.
Thermals, man. You gotta be ready for that shit. You guys are doing your approach full speed.
No, we're not. What are you talking about?
No, we're not.
My throttle's off. Completely off. I'm not touching. I'm waiting for you, Frank. All right, let's go.
Okay, now I'm gonna be in front. And you're
Thermals, thermals.
You're gonna have to manage your landing
Oh, okay.
based on my speed.
I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing.
Back, you're moving all the way front. What?
I'll go back. I'm back. Fine, go.
Step back, Ryan, so I can see. All right, is that right in the front? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna be right behind.
My throttle's off.
Flat
Who was
up.
not landing?
I didn't, because everybody was in the way. But I'm getting I'm syncing up with you guys, so.
All right, again. Leader, so great leader.
Don't make his head all big now.
Touch and go. Right behind you. I'm gonna space this out.
Yeah. For Frankie, well, let's do it together.
Touch, okay. One along.
I'll be next. I'll be closest to us, Frank.
I'll be furthest down.
Okay. Wind, it's all right. Deal with it. You'll be good.
Seconds. Flat up.
Right. Touch and go. Joining me?
We're behind you. It's the thermals. They're everywhere. Yeah, Rand's going way to Egypt and kind of around, so look out for him.
Rand, no powder. Come on. No powder. No.
So closest to us, Frank.
Furthest
Landing
away.
flat.
Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I get up and out, baby.
Flat up.
There, we're.
Whoa!
Yeah, I hit it too. Whoa, it's having its way with me. All right, touch and go. See, Frank, you hit. Whoa! Be ready for it, Rand.
God damn it!
Yeah, you got to be ready. It's the whoa, it hit me too.
Flat up.
Man,
I gotta come in.
freaking thermals over here.
I got to come in right now.
I almost lost it.
You didn't though. That's the most important part.
Almost crapped my pants as well.
All right, I'm landing. No flaps.
No. And I almost scraped my face as well.
Landing flaps.
All right, I'm rolling all the way to the end.
Alright, that was bad.
Pinche ran.
Flaps
Yeah,
out.
that's some weird thermal activity. We've all been there, done that.
No. Well, just Alright, coming in, touch and go, touching and go.
Come on, right? I have the wrong battery for touch and goes.
What do you have?
The really high C.
Man, do you...
It's not going to touch because we got thermals all over.